How to clear Instagram cache without logout. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can clear cache files on Instagram without logging out. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to clear your Instagram cache without logging out, right? So we want to clear the cache files that our Instagram app has generated, but we don't want to log out. Now on Android, this process is fairly simple. On iPhones, you can just try to offload it. For Android users, you simply launch Settings. Then on Settings, depending on your Android, look for an option called Apps and tap on it. Now under Apps, of course, we search for the Instagram app. Then when you search for Instagram, scroll under App Info and select Storage. You'll see the cache files that the Instagram app has generated, and from the bottom, just tap on Clear Cache. So this interface will look different depending upon the phone you're using. Do not clear data because that will log you out and reset the Instagram app. We only want to clear the cache files, and as you can see, I'm still logged into my Instagram account, as you can see right here. So hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.